Hi everyone, you're watching Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to do a homemade sausage roll, and let's see what are the ingredients we need it for. So I have puff pastry, you can buy it from any supermarket, and sliced cheese and sausages, any kind of sausage you can have it. And I got the tomato sauce as a flavor. I want to flavor it up with this tomato sauce, and I got the beaten one egg. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna show you how to roll it up this one. First you get the puff pastry. You can buy any puff pastry from any supermarket. Make sure you flat it up in the chopping board, and you're gonna get the sliced cheese. You put around the corner. You can use any shredded cheese, but if you have a sliced cheese, it's easy to roll it over. So now I'm gonna get the sausage and place it up here, and I'm gonna get the tomato sauce. I'm gonna use this tomato sauce as a flavor, but still you can use barbecue sauce or tomato relish. If you want, you can put a red chili sauce. It's up to you guys, whatever sauce you want, whatever flavor you want. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna roll it over. Make sure you keep the sausage roll middle of the pastry. So now I'm gonna roll it over. Make sure you not overlap it. If you too much overlap it, it won't cook. And if you wanna have a nice sausage roll, I just roll it off for 1.5. Then you're gonna seal it up this way, and you're gonna cut this puff pastry off. So after you roll it up, then what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut the edges and cut it off, and then you're gonna use the fork to seal it up. Seal it up the edges. Then you're gonna place it up in the baking tray. Then you're gonna use the beaten egg top of the sausage roll. By you doing it, you're gonna get the nice color and nice flavor. You can finish it up with the wet cloth, or you can use the brush. And make sure you get the knife and give a nice cut, slightly cut. Make sure you not cut through it. If you're doing it so, you're gonna get the nice color, you're gonna get the nice look. It's gonna be more presentable. And I'm gonna cut it off this way too, like a squares. A real look of sausage roll. Or still you can drizzle with some mixed herbs. It's up to you guys. So I'm gonna do the second one as well. So I got the puff pastry as I did before, and I'm gonna get the sliced cheese, put on the middle of the puff pastry. This time I'm gonna use the red chili sauce. And then you're gonna give a nice cut, but make sure you not cut through, just slightly cut. Now I'm gonna place this one into the baking paper. I have some mixed herbs. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the mixed herbs on the top of the this sausage roll. So it's all about flavors. So what I'm gonna do now, so I already preheated my oven 160 degrees. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna put into the oven for half an hour or maybe 20 minutes, and let's see, it's depend guys, whichever oven you have, make sure you see, and if it is cooked, that's the perfect time to get. So I'm gonna put for 160 degrees to 20 minutes. So let's see how it's gonna come out. My oven is really hot. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this one in, and I'm gonna close it up. This is after 20 minutes, so let's see how it's look like. Oh wow, it's beautiful, look. But still not cooked this side. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it for another 10 minutes and see how it's look like. After half an hour, this is the result. Look at that, it's beautiful. It's a brownish color, the cut. The reason I cut across, guys, you can see why is that. Hi guys, this is how we do the sausage roll at home. You just need to buy the pastry from the supermarket and sausage and any flavors and sliced cheese. It's nice and easy. You can serve this one for your guests. If you want to throw a party, this is how you're gonna do it. It's very sweet, nice and easy. The people will love it, and it's fresh, not the frozen stuff. That's how you make the sausage roll at home. So I'm gonna try now and see how it is. It's so good. It's really nice, guys. It's really hot and fresh. It's so different to buying frozen stuff and having this one. It's so yum, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for subscribing Cooking with the Brown Chef. And I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye.